Ever recorded the perfect video only to realize there's a random person or unwanted object in the background? Don't delete it just yet, because you can remove people and objects from videos in just a few clicks using Gemini Omni. First, head over to Google Flow and sign in with your Google account. I've put the link in the description below. Once you're logged in, click New Project. Next, tap the plus button at the top and choose Upload Media. Select the video you want to edit and upload it. Now make sure the generation mode is set to video. Under Ingredients, choose the aspect ratio that matches your video. Select Omni Flash as the model and set the duration to match your clip. Just keep in mind that the maximum length is 10 seconds. After that, tap the plus button inside the prompt box and select the video you just uploaded. Now paste the prompt. I've already prepared it on my website, so you can simply copy and paste it. The link is also in the description. When everything is ready, click Send. And wait a few minutes while Gemini processes your video. And that's it. The unwanted people or objects should now be removed from your footage, making it look much cleaner and more professional. Finally, download the result and save it to your gallery. Pretty crazy, right? With AI, you can now clean up your videos in minutes without complicated editing software. Try it yourself, and you'll never worry about random photobombers in your videos again.